Struggling to find where Namecheap hides email redirect settings? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to click. This is one of those things that seems way more complicated than it actually is, but once you know the path, it's really straightforward. We'll start from the Namecheap homepage, then navigate through your account to the domain list, and finally the email redirect section. I've walked through this dashboard countless times, so I know exactly where things tend to get confusing. All right, let's jump in. First thing you want to do is head over to the Namecheap homepage. Just pull it up in your browser. Doesn't matter if you're already logged in or not. We're going to work through this step by step. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main hub for everything related to your domains and services. From here, you can manage pretty much everything. Once you're in your account dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option that says Domain List and click it. This is where all of your registered domains live. If you have more than a few, this list can get a little long. But don't worry, we're just looking for one specific thing. Find the domain you want to check the email redirect for. On the far right side of that row, you'll see a button labeled Actions. Click on that. A drop-down menu will pop up with several options. Now, here's the part that trips a lot of people up. The option we need is called Email Redirect. Click on that. Now you're in the Email Redirect settings page, but we're not quite done yet. You'll see a section that says Products. Click on that tab. This is where the actual redirect rules live. I've tested this on several different Namecheap accounts, and it's always the same path. Once you're on the Products tab, you'll see a highlighted area. Click on that highlight to expand the details. Now look for a small plus sign icon. Click on that first plus sign. This is where you add a new email redirect rule. You'll see another plus sign appear. Click on that second one as well. This might take just a moment to process, so give it a second. And there you have it. You're now looking at the email redirect section, fully visible and ready for you to manage. So to recap, Account, Domain List, Actions, Email Redirect, Products, click the highlight, then click both plus signs. It sounds like a lot of steps when you list them out, but honestly, once you've done it once, it'll take you about 30 seconds next time. I hope this helped clear things up. If you found it useful, go ahead and give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.